Hey guys, welcome to the Python course, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Python 3 on your Windows and operating system. Please do like the video, share the channel to your friends and family. Now open your favorite browser on your Windows 10 operating system, and my favorite is Google Chrome, so I am opening Google Chrome, then type Python and search for Python. And let's click here and visit the website. We're going to click on this link. And once the website is open, you just need to scroll down a little until you see this Downloads section. And you can see at the time of making this video and 3.12.0, which is the latest version of Python which is available. Click the link and download the video. Python 3.12.0 is downloaded in the Downloads folder of the window. Double-click the Python installable and setup window has been started. And on the first window you will see two options here. One is installed now and the other is customize installation. So what we are going to choose is this option we say is customized installation. So now let's click on customize installation. And next you will see this optional feature window. And you can see there are some optional feature which despite an installable. For example, documentation. That it will install. So I'm going to leave everything as default and then I'm going to click next. And now this next window will open with these advanced options here. I'm going to check this option with say install for all users, and I'm going to leave other checkboxes as it is. And then you will see this action here, it says customize install location. Do I want to install Python on my C that increase, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the he means that we are going to install 3.12.0 and million of bytes. And so now Python 3 will be installed at this location on my computer. And then I'm going to click on the install button here, and then you will see the installation will start. And it will be finished in a few seconds, so just wait for the installation to complete. And after some time I can see this message which say setup was successful, so I'm going to click on this close button is going to close. So now in order to check whether Python is installed on our Windows operating system or not, we are going to search for a Python in here, and you will see a few options here. One is this Python 3.13. Other is ideal. So first of all we are going to click on this option with the Spuyten 3.12 and 64-bit. That is going to open this kind of terminal. So this is a Python dummy. And here we can for example print something. So I'm going to just write print, and in the patent as is and in between the double quotes I can just write hello world and then press enter. It's just going to return the brand hello world. So I'm going to close this dominant low, and once again I'm going to search for Python here. And this time I'm going to select this option which says I do. Okay. So just select this option which says I do. And in the patent interface bytes and 3.12, 64-bit. So this ideal is an ID which comes out by an installation. At the time of installation we have chosen this option to install ID. That's why we can see this option here. And also this is an interactive shell, so you can once again write print, and inside the printers you can just trade for example once again hello world and then press enter, and it's going to give you this kind of output here. So now an interactive shell is working. And I do like is also working. So here also you can just write print, and inside the printers as you can just print hello world and then press enter, it brings hello world in return. So now we have successfully installed the Python on our Windows 10 operating system. So from the next video we are going to use these tools in order to develop a bytecode. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.